In this video, we are going to talk about how to construct a circle. So we're going to use a compass. You have your point end and your pencil end. We're going to take this pencil end and make a point on our paper. And then we are going to take the point end, put it on this point we just created, and we are going to turn the compass so that it makes a circle. And sometimes it helps to rotate the paper to let this easier. And then we have a circle. So we are going to talk about some of the properties of this circle. So here we have a point, which in this case is the center of the circle. And then we have this part right here, and this is the perimeter of the circle, which we call circumference. And this is also considered the perimeter of a circle. And if we take a straight edge, which is a ruler, but we call it a straight edge because we're not worrying about the measurements, we're just worrying about the straight edge of the ruler. We can go from the center of the circle to anywhere on the edge. It doesn't matter where I draw this line. And this is a line segment, and it is our radius of the circle. And this is a line segment that goes from the center of the circle to the perimeter of the circle. So we have our point, which is our center of the circle. Then you have the circumference, which is your perimeter of your circle. And then we have a line segment that has two endpoints, so it does not continue in either way. That's a line segment. And this is your radius of the circle. It goes from the center to anywhere on the circle. And then you can have an infinite amount of radii. Radii is plural for radius, and we can have an infinite amount of them because we can draw any radius anywhere in the circle. There is another segment that is also important inside a circle, and that goes from both sides of the circle, so both sides of the perimeter, through the center of the circle, and this is called a diameter. So it has to go through the center of the circle, and it goes from both sides of the circle, and again, there are an infinite amount of diameters in a circle, and so this is called a diameter. And this goes from one side to the other in a circle, and it has to go through the center of the circle. An important fact to know about this, it takes two radii to make one diameter, or half a diameter is a radius. So if we cut this part off, you get a radius. So half of a diameter is your radius.